Welcome to my channel. TP-Link RE210 Reset Guide. Restore to factory settings in minutes. First, power on. Plug the TP-Link RE210 into a power outlet and switch it on. Second, check LEDs. Wait until the power LED turns solid on. Third, locate reset button. Find the small reset hole/button on the side or bottom of the extender. Fourth, use a pin. Take a pin or paper clip to press the reset button. Fifth, hold for 8 to 10 seconds. Keep pressing until the LEDs start blinking. Sixth, release button. Let go of the button once blinking begins. Seventh, wait for reboot. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the extender to restart. Eighth, check default LEDs. Confirm the LEDs show default factory status, usually power solid, Wi-Fi off. Ninth, reconnect device. Use the default SSID, printed on the extender's label, to connect. 10th, reconfigure extender. Set up your TP-Link RE210 again with your main Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.